Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare N8N and Flowise to help you decide which automation platform fits your need best. So, N8N is a versatile open source workflow automation tool with over 350 app integrations. It's popular for connecting business apps, automating complex processes, and even integrating AI with some setup. Its flexibility allows you to create custom workflows that automate emails, manage customer data, and connect various services. N8N supports self-hosting and offers both no-code and low-code options, making it suitable for teams wanting controlled customization and robust automation beyond just AI capabilities. While Flowise, in contrast, is a specialized AI-focused platform for building chatbots and AI-powered applications using large language models like GPT. It provides a visual interface for creating AI workflows, making it easier for users to develop conversation agents and LLM-based applications without heavy coding. Flowise is perfect if your main goal is to quickly build smart chatbots, automate natural language tasks, or prototype AI agents. But it has fewer generated app integrations but excels in simplifying AI agent development and deployment. So, if your focus is on-board workflow automation with many app connections and customization, N8N is the better choice. It's suited for business needing multi-step workflows, extensive integration, and flexibility. On the other hand, if you want to experiment primarily with AI chatbots or build intelligent conversational agents, Flowise offers a user-friendly AI-first experience. So both platforms are open source, ensuring transparency and data control. N8N has a large mature community with comprehensive documentation, while Flowise community is growing within the AI agent niche. Consider your project's complexity and goals when choosing. To summarize, pick N8N for all-round automation, power, and flexibility, or choose Flowise if your priority is quick, streamlined AI agent creation. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.